Well, good morning. Started I think so late. It's 8:20 in the morning. Can say it is one of the best weathers to ride. It's one of the best weathers that you can ride. But ideally, I'm not in that mode right now because I have forgot my rain gear. I didn't expect this was to be a surprise ride for my kids, and even I am surprised today. One of those moments when you plan a surprise and someone else is also planning a surprise for you. So, started from a place called Muddy near Shirdi. Let's see how long does it take to reach Ambernath. We keep on taking shots in the middle. It should rain a lot when it started in the morning around 8:30, but after that up to Sinnar, but after that there's no rain. It's good for a change that it's not raining. So let us see by what time I reach Ambernath. I'm hoping to reach Ambernath in 1.5 hours. So let's see. I'll get on phone once I reach home. If you want to see, this is Kasara Ghat. Right now I'm standing. Finally reached home. I think it is like 1 o'clock. It was raining in the morning. I think so. Thereafter it was very cool ride until Ghoti Kasara. Once I reached Kasara, it started to heat up. Mumbai is as usual heating. Ambernath. It was quite hot, I'll tell you. One thing I discovered today is the riding jacket is waterproof, which is good thing, and bad thing because it cooks you up. So in a way, an overall a good ride. I took, I think so, from uh, Madi I took to Sinnar to Ghoti to Kasara. Then again from Padga I to Kadakpada, and via Ullasnagar I reached over here. Uh, Overall, it was a good ride. I did not take much stops except for hydration, I think so. Yes, surely I will upload this video. You know the drill. uh, do subscribe to my channel, do like my videos, and of course do comment on my videos uh, on how this new format is. And at the end of the day, uh, your likes matter a lot. I know the video quality is not that great, but it's gonna improve. I'm learning day by day, and that is how it is gonna be. uh, the subscribers, I think so, they haven't crossed 50 as of yet. Let us see if this video helps me cross the subscriber count to 50. Let us go step by step. Chalo then, see you, thank you, bye bye.